Hey Spartan, Dr. Nick here from HealthSource Chiropractic. We're talking about your condition of the week this week, which we're going to talk about insomnia. Now, that's a big word. Some people know what it is, some people don't. But basically what it means is that you're not sleeping well for many different reasons. It can be from a poor sleeping environment, a poor bed, poor pillow. Could be that you're not doing a good job of making sure to cut down on screen time at the end of the night, so your mind is going and you can't shut everything off. It could be your kids are in your bed and you're not getting a great night's sleep. I mean, there's many different reasons, but insomnia is something that it's real with a lot of patients that a lot of people struggle with. So we're going to talk through a couple of those things that you can do to help yourself, which most of them I already mentioned. So one of the best things is making sure that you have a good sleeping environment. You know, beds play a huge role. We spend almost a third of our life in our beds. So you know what? It's important to make sure that we got some good support. You know, if your bed is anywhere older than 7 years, it's probably time to look at getting some new support to update the surface that you're sleeping on. Pillows are also extremely important. You know, if you're not getting a good support from your pillow, you wake up with neck pain, you wake up with headaches, and that's one of the big things that I always tell people. If you're struggling and you're waking up with pain, those are the first two things to check. The third thing is how are you doing limiting the time right before bed? You know, if we're watching the news or playing a video game or, you know, doing something on our phones, we don't get the opportunity to really shut down our mind as much as we'd like to. So we end up with our mind just wandering, and we never get into that deep sleep, which is very important, that REM sleep, which is where we get the best rest in our sleep cycle. The last thing, you know, again, make sure that, again, your environment is good. I use kids, for example, because unfortunately I'm going through that right now. You know, little kids coming in and out of your room, how can you make their sleep schedule normal to help your sleep schedule as well? So insomnia is a real thing. If you have questions, there's many more things that can come up with this, but reach out, ask us questions. We'd be happy to answer any questions regarding getting better sleep, getting a great night's rest, which is going to help you feel better, function better, and stay well at work.